There are several ways that you can find and replace text in your Scrivener projects. You can perform a quick search by typing in the toolbar. You can find and replace text with a standard find dialog. You can search across your entire project, your texts, notes, research, and more. And you can use Project Replace to find and replace things like character names or terminology in your entire project. To quickly search for something in your project, click the section of the toolbar that shows the name of the item you're currently viewing, or press Ctrl-Option-G. Type a word or phrase, and Scrivener displays a list of items containing the search term. These can include document titles, synopses, and texts. Click an item in the list to jump to it. To find text using a Find and Replace dialog, like in most word processors, select a document in the binder, then choose Edit, Find, or press Command F. Type a word or phrase, click Next, and Scrivener highlights the next occurrence of the search text. You can use keyboard shortcuts to find the next and previous search results. Press Command-G to go to the next occurrence and Command-Shift-G to go to the previous one. You can refine searches in the Find dialog. Options let you ignore case, capital letters in words, and diacritics or accents on characters. The Find Options menu lets you constrain your search. By default, Scrivener searches for any text that contains your search string, but you can choose to have Scrivener search for it at the beginning of a word or phrase, exactly as you've entered it, or at the end of a word or phrase. There is also an option to use regular expressions or regex. If you know what this is, then you know how powerful this form of search can be. You can search for a word or phrase and replace it with another by entering text in both the Find and Replace fields of the Find dialog. When Scrivener finds your text, click Replace to replace that occurrence of the search text. Click Replace and Find to replace the text and move to the next occurrence. Or click Replace All to replace all occurrences of the search text in the current document. Project Search lets you search every element in your project. Your text files, notes, synopses, keywords, and even the contents of your research folder. Click the magnifying glass icon above the binder, enter a search term, and then press Return. The binder changes its display to show project search results. Click an item in the search results list in the binder to see your search term in that item. Scrivener highlights the search term, and you can view other occurrences of that term by pressing Command-G. If you click the disclosure triangle next to the magnifying glass icon, you can choose from many options to constrain your search to different elements in your project, exact phrases, and more. With Project Replace, you can find and replace words or phrases throughout your entire project, not only in its text files, but also in other elements. This is useful if you decide to change the name of a character or location in a novel, or change specific terminology that appears often in your work. Choose Edit, Find, Project Replace. You have many of the same search refinements as in the standard Find dialog, but you can also choose which items this operation affects. Titles, texts, notes, synopses, custom metadata, and snapshots. Snapshots is unchecked by default because snapshots are previous versions where you probably don't want to make changes. Note that when you use Project Replace, you cannot undo the changes. So back up your Scrivener project before launching replacements like this in case you change your mind. You can download a 30-day free trial of Scrivener for Mac or Windows at scrivener.com.